In this video, we'll explore Chapter 16, How to Stick with Good Habits Every Day, from Atomic Habits by James Clear. This is part of the fourth law of behavior change, make it satisfying, where James explains how tracking your habits helps you stay consistent, motivated, and focused. Let's dive in. In 1993, a young stockbroker named Trent Dyrsmid started a new job in Canada. He wasn't experienced, but he had a simple daily habit that helped him succeed. Each morning, he moved one paperclip from a full jar to an empty one every time he made a sales call. He kept doing this until all 120 paperclips were moved, which meant he made 120 calls every day. This habit helped him grow fast and earn over $5 million within 5 years. His secret wasn't talent or luck, it was consistency. He used a visual system to track his progress and stay focused. This shows how powerful habit tracking can be. When you see your progress, it keeps you motivated and helps you stay on track. Habit tracking works because it reminds you to act, it motivates you to keep going, and it feels satisfying to see progress. Tracking also makes habits more obvious. You're less likely to skip something if you know you'll have to mark it as missed. James Clear started tracking his writing habits using a spreadsheet. Each day he wrote something, he marked it with a green box. Over time, breaking the chain felt worse than not writing. The goal became not missing 2 days in a row, not perfection, just recovery. You don't need to be perfect. Just avoid missing twice. If you fall off track, get back on as soon as possible. The first mistake isn't what ruins you, it's letting one mistake turn into a pattern. Successful people fail too, but they bounce back faster. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice starts a new habit of skipping. So focus on getting back on track quickly after any slip-up. One of the best tools for habit tracking is a visual streak, like marking a calendar every day you follow through. A visual streak gives you 3 benefits. It reminds you to do the habit. It motivates you by showing progress. And it feels good to see your streak grow. If you want to build better habits, start tracking them. Use a calendar, app, or journal to mark when you complete your habit. Even top performers use habit tracking. Olympic athletes review their training logs. Companies track performance metrics. Tracking keeps you accountable. Tracking your habits creates a sense of ownership. You start to feel like the kind of person who sticks with things. You don't need fancy tools. Just a simple checklist or notebook will work. The key is to make your habit visible and measurable. You can also use apps or online tools to track habits. Some even send reminders to help you stay consistent. The most important part of habit tracking is seeing your progress. Even small wins add up over time. Final summary, from Chapter 16, habit tracking helps you stay consistent. Visual progress keeps you motivated. Don't aim for perfection, aim to recover quickly after a miss. Use calendars, apps, journals, or spreadsheets to track your habits. Seeing progress builds identity, you become the type of person who follows through. In the next video, we'll explore Chapter 17, How an Accountability Partner Can Change Everything. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.